Hi friends, welcome to the next video in how to become series from Career Right. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to become a financial analyst. Finance is a domain without which the businesses can't work, and financial analyst is one of the most coveted positions in the industry. People enter this profession as junior analysts and go on to grab some highest positions in the industry. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about things like how to begin your career in this field, educational qualifications, skills, and personal qualities you require to succeed in this profession. We'll also talk about some professional certifications and short courses that can help you move to the next level in your career. Whether you are an experienced person or a fresher who wants to be a financial analyst, this video is going to be tremendously useful to all of you. Make sure that you watch it till the end. Okay, so before we begin, if you are someone new to our channel or if you have not subscribed to it yet, I would highly recommend doing it now because we publish videos on various aspects of career that will help you get a professional boost. Also press the bell icon next to the subscribe button. It will ensure that you're notified every time we release a new video and you don't miss out on anything important. So the first thing that we need to know is who is a financial analyst? These are the professionals who analyze the financial data and use their findings to help the companies make business decisions. This is a vast field, and the analysts fall under three categories based on the type of companies they work for. The first group of professionals is the one working for the buy side firms. The analysts working here tell their employers or clients how to spend their money while buying stocks, securities, real estate, etc. This side buys and invests large portions of securities for money or fund management. The professionals or investors on this side of the market are the people with money or capital to buy the securities that are issued by sell side firms. The second group of professionals works for sell side firms. This side of the market deals with creation, promotion, and selling of traded securities to the public. On this side of the market come the banks, advisory firms, and others who facilitate the sales of securities on behalf of their clients. The third group of professionals works at investment banks. These are the people who advise their clients on things like whether a particular merger and acquisition is profitable or not. Now, the next thing that you need to know is what are some of the common titles that are used for different types of financial analysts in the industry. So, some of the common titles that are used in this industry are fund manager, portfolio manager, risk analyst, and ratings analyst. These are some of the top level, highly responsible, and highly paid positions. No doubt they demand a lot of investment from you in terms of your time and efforts. Now that you have a basic idea about this profession, the next thing that you would need to know is how to enter this profession and how to make a progress. So the candidates usually begin as junior analysts in this profession. They assist some senior analysts. Over a period of 3 to 5 years, they themselves become senior analysts. And those who continuously keep working hard and looking for growth eventually become the portfolio managers, fund managers, partners, senior managers in retail banks, or even investment advisors. Your escalation to the next level always depends upon your performance at the present level. And to perform well as a junior analyst, it is very important to possess some skills. The most important ones are proficiency with MS Excel and PowerPoint. Make sure that you master both these skills during your college time. It is very easy to learn both of these on your own with the help of online tutorials. Secondly, since you'll need to work with a lot of data, get your hands on a database as well. Apart from these, if I talk about you as a person, you should have an affinity for numbers with a good quantitative aptitude and analytical skills. Your communication skills, both written and oral, and presentation skills also play a very important role in your success as a junior analyst. They help you make effective presentations to the senior analysts and managers, which can take you a long way in your career. Make sure that you hone all these skills while you are in college. Even if you are a finance professional working in some other domain and you are interested in switching over to this field, start working on sharpening these skills. It will be tremendously useful. Now, talking about the educational qualifications you need to enter and grow in this field. A bachelor's degree is a bare minimum to enter this domain. If you pursue a finance related course like accounting, finance, economics, or statistics in your graduation, it will help you enter this field. Otherwise, since this is a data driven domain, any mathematics related course would also give you a leverage. In addition to this, there are many courses available online also, which teach you the nitty gritties of the profession. It will be a good idea to choose one of these courses and learn things that you would need to implement in your profession. One piece of advice that I would like to give you here is don't pick up an advanced level course outrightly. Try to get your basics right first. Another important thing to consider before choosing a course is explore all the career options on sell side and buy side of the profession. And then, based upon your personality and interest, decide what is it that you want to do. And only after pondering over all these things, decide upon a course. Don't choose a course just because your friend is doing it. In fact, this approach of taking up short courses would also work for finance and accounting professionals who are working in other fields and want to move to financial analysis. Your experience accompanied by these courses can bridge the gap and get you a good placement in the industry. While it is difficult for me to recommend a particular course, there are certain things that you must check before committing to any one of them. And the first thing that you need to see is the content of the course, which means are they teaching what you would need for the profession? Secondly, are there any practical trainings involved? And thirdly, the reputation of the trainer. Once you are satisfied with all three of these, you can commit to a course. Now, a lot of students also ask me, is it important to do an internship? So, to all those students, I would like to say, if you are a fresher, during your vacations, you can try to look for an internship with some practicing accountant, consultant, or someone related to finance. This will give you an idea about how the work is done. But your purpose with internship is not to showcase big names on your resume. Its purpose is to give you a feel of the work. So don't shy away from approaching the startups or individual consultants. What they pay you as the stipend is not the important thing. What's important is what you learn during this time. But as I see it, it is not even compulsory to do an internship during this time, until and unless your college needs it. You can hone the skills we discussed above, or learn things related to the profession during this precious time. After passing out, start applying for positions with the titles like Junior Financial Analyst or Entry Level Analyst, etc. This will give you a good beginning. However, if you want to rise up the ladder, it is important to possess a master's degree from a premier college. An MBA in related field will make you more attractive to the employers. In fact, a lot of CAs are also doing well in this profession. But the ones who have really risen up to the top also hold professional certifications like CFA Charter, FRM, etc. Many people even go towards earning their MBA after gaining some work experience. Now, as we just discussed, there are some professional certifications also available in the market, which many employers would need you to possess before hiring you for top roles. Each of these certifications focuses on a particular type of career. Let's discuss some of the important ones here. And the first one on the list is CFA, that is Chartered Financial Analyst. This charter focuses on portfolio management and investment analysis jobs. The charter holds a high global recognition, but needs a real commitment to pass through. This certification demonstrates a good level of intelligence and strong work ethics, which helps the employers in choosing their top employees. The next one on the list is CAIA, that is Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst. As the name suggests, this certification is focused on alternative investments, and it is more directed towards the professionals who are interested in asset management and hedge fund industries. At number 3 is FRM, that is Financial Risk Manager. This certification is useful for careers in risk management. like risk officer, risk analyst. This is a comparatively newer certification, but very focused. And lastly, we have FMVA, that is Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst. This certification is useful for corporate finance professionals. Friends, the growth prospects in the field of financial analysis are no doubt phenomenal. If you're ready to equip yourself with the right skills and put in some hard work, the amount of money that you can earn with this profession can definitely be one of the best in the market. And the type of reputation that you can command in the market can be something that every professional would dream of. So guys, this is all from my side in this video. But if there are any specific topics that you want me to cover, do let me know by commenting in the box below. I promise to read all your comments. If you found this video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. To stay updated, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Thank you and bye bye till then.